Hey guys, in this week's video, we're going to be looking at the software that I coded with my beginner skills, just learning how to code, but I know there's some programs that I've always wanted to do to help me do my job in security. Go to workinsecurity.com, sign up for our email list, and I'll send you these videos every week and anything else that I come up with, any tips about getting into the industry. And there's a free guide and a free step-by-step what you need to know to get into the commercial security field, and not only to get into it but to excel. There's no point in joining if you're just going to end up learning from someone who's been in the industry for 10 years and doing the same job that they were doing 10 years ago. So I think we kind of cracked that code, and hopefully it's helpful to you, whether you're brand new to the industry or you're just. But anyway, here we go. Go ahead and dive into these. Okay. So here's my website. It's kind of running on a video there. lvsupport.com is where you find everything. There's our tools. Explore tools will take you down to the tool section. That's the programs that I wrote, and then that's a link to my other website where you find the other information. So that's workinsecurity.com. Okay. Then first thing there is request a tool, and this opens up an email form so that you can tell me what you want. Someone requested that DTMF tool that's in there, so that wasn't my idea. Somebody asked for it, and I was able to create that in just a few minutes using AI and all that. So this is the conduit fill calculator you're looking at now, and what this is tells you how much cable you can fit into a certain size pipe. So all of these cables that they sell have an outside diameter, and that's what we're looking for in the spec sheet. You see here, that's a Windy City wire and 18.2 conductor, and the outside diameter is 0.158. So you take that, put that back into the calculator, and tell it how many cables you plan on pulling. I think I put in 9 there. And then run the calculator, and you can see, depending on what percentage you want to keep it under, for us it's 40%. So anything smaller than 40%, we don't want to use that size pipe. So it tells you EMT, which is pretty common, rigid. I just put the common ones in there. And then and run the calculator again. You can see ½ inch is still an option, but it's at 73%, which is way too much. If you overfill it, then see that's 97%. If we add one more, the ½ inch goes away as an option, so you can't even use that. Your next option would be 3/4. And if you want to know how large of pipe you need for 10 cables, then that's, or 10 different cables. Okay, so this is the Mercury dip switch calculator. This is for setting the addresses between 0 and 31. It's a beginner tool. Most people know how to do this. But if you're new to everything and setting addresses is foreign to you, then you can use this tool. You see here 29 is what I entered in there, and it told me which dip switches to turn on and which ones to turn off. This is the overlay tool, which can be used on any view that you're looking at on a PC or a laptop. So let me find a picture here to use as a reference. That one, I don't think that one worked. Too small. So there's a good one there. Go ahead and open that in a browser tab, just as an example. So we have 4 camera views there, and here's my overlay tool. You can see I drag it around, it stays on top of everything. If you close out the camera views, it'll stay on top of your other windows or your desktop. So you resize it to the size of your window view, and reset it will bring all your lines back to the start position. And you can see there the red lines move symmetrically from the center green line. So from there you can move your camera around and kind of aim it. If you want to have a centered view on, say, the street where your driveway comes in, you can center it on that. And then I moved it over. It's already the right size because every pane is the same size. And then here you can see the red line moving in and out. The blue line is the horizon. So you can see this one's a little crooked. So if they rotate that, they can straighten it out and it'll look a lot better, more pleasing to the eye. Here's one that's like a park setting or a playground or something, and looks like they set their horizon on that jungle gym or whatever that thing is, because it's a straight line across there. Usually I pick like a floor section or something. Moving on to the DTMF generator. So dial tone generator. This is what somebody asked for. Basically, the touch tones. And let's see if it plays the sound. I'm not hearing anything. Okay, but if you download this and run the executable file, then you'll hear the actual old dial tone tones that were generated that some computer system would read, and that's how it knew how to connect you. Looks like it's the video starting over. But anyway, there you have it. That's it. Like I said, it's more for beginners, except for like the camera aim tool is, you know, anyone can use that. Even if you're not an integrator, if you're like checking someone's work to see if they aim their camera straight, you can run this on your screen and kind of tell them how to adjust it, what you want to see. Okay, don't forget, go to workinsecurity.com. Give me your email address, and I'll send you some guides. One, I think, is all of the positions that are available. Like we have programmers for our systems. Of course, we have technicians, service technicians, project managers, designers, just about everything you can think of in any industry. We have it in security as well. And like always, it's a booming industry that just gets busier and busier. So we need a lot of good people right now, particularly. All right, see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.